What we're talking about in the big picture here is that people often stay in dysfunction because they have come to play a certain role. Take the television show, the super popular worldwide television show Friends. Everybody knows on that show, each character plays a very kind of specific type of role, and everybody knows the personalities and behaviors that they would expect from a particular role. Imagine one day if the actress came onto the set and they started to film an episode of that show, and the actress who played Phoebe said to the director, "You know what? I don't want her to do some of the things that Phoebe used to do." Well, the director would probably look at that actress and say, "Wait, what? That's not your role." Just explaining that to you for that moment, I bet you watching can understand exactly how this applies to people in their own everyday lives, and specifically people who have found themselves in dysfunctional situations, whether in a romantic relationship, in a family dynamic, at work, or just themselves stuck in a really negative, harmful behavior pattern, that they have come to play a certain role, and also that people in their environment have come to expect them to play that role. So roles are very limiting. And I can tell you in over 20 years of experience as a clinical psychologist that usually when people play a set role like this and they've come to be in dysfunction, that playing a role backfires. And one of the main things that playing a role can cause, and you might relate to this, is it can cause significant resentment. So if you are somebody stuck in one of these roles, it is very possible that deep down you feel some resentment or maybe even some actual contempt or disdain for the people in your environment who you feel like are keeping you in that dysfunctional role.